Hey guys, Terrence here. Today is the day I'll be dropping off my truck. But unlike the previous video, I want to show you guys the full extent of the damage that'll be repaired and a few estimates I got from few different shops. But I'll be going to a shop that my little brother's been dealing with for the last maybe 5 or 6 years, maybe 7 years. But the guy does really great work, and I'll be dropping my truck off to him in a few minutes. I'll take you guys along the way, and I want to show you guys the tail light came in. I removed the tornado cover from my truck. So let's see the full extent of the damage that'll be done. Let me show you the estimates I got on. Let me know if you guys think it was too high. It's a reasonable price. But we're going to the shop my brother did, which is pretty much in the same ballpark as far as price-wise. And let's get going. Okay, guys, as you know, I got this little damage here. We'll be getting this done. We'll be fixing that. Let me show you guys the tail light. Tail light came in, OEM tail light. Don't care for the aftermarket stuff too much like that. And we'll be getting that removed and getting a new one installed. So, of course, you can't spot paint it, so we have to do the whole back of the truck. So, this is get repaired. Of course, that's what happened when I smashed into the trailer right there, and that happened. But this happened from, see these little small nicks and there's a few dents here. This happened from me lowering until this. Even though I had a cushion there, it's still having the damage over the time. Maybe over the last 3 or 4 years since I've been towing, maybe 5 years since I had this truck, and 4 years since I had the truck. But yeah, this happened over time. Fixing all of this. There's a little smaller dent there and some scratches, but you move this cover. There's a really small dent. Of course, that's getting fixed. Some little scratches here. Yeah. No, that's not a scratch. My truck is filthy. This also. Not sure how this happened, but as you can see, might as well take care of that before it gets bad. And the little dent, you guys can barely see it. It's right here. You can see the little crease. And I'll be fixing that. The rest of the truck is pretty much, it's just dirty. No spots or anything. So that's the extent of the damage. Minor damage to me, but the guy's gonna do a really good job on it. And I gotta sweep my truck off before I pull off, but just got everything removed. And I'll be heading off in a second, and I'll take you guys to the shop with me. So, okay, guys, we're rolling, driving. As you guys can see, my cracked windshield. I gotta get that fixed too. You guys wouldn't believe, out of the other house, it got so cold. And I turned my wipers on and it cracked my windshield. So I've been riding with a cracked windshield for about 4 or 5 months. Well, this happened in March, so about 4 or 5 months. I'll get it replaced. But it has the Dodge sunshade. I think that's an antenna. I don't know. I'm sure. It was the original windshield that's installed in. Really got me upset, but we're rolling. The shop is about, like I say, 5 or 6 miles from my house. I have 2 estimates I got. Right here, I'll show you guys in a second what the other 2 shops are charging me. Where we going here? Price pretty much the same, but I know the guy does great work. We're rolling up here, so don't want to drag. Well, I can fast forward this part. So here. My wife is trolling me with the babies in the car. Hold it. Both of them. How you doing?
Yeah, let's buy this weekend or next week.
Okay. I do. Okay. All right. Thanks. So guys, I'm leaving my truck. I got my baby to be continued.